So in this video, you'll learn how to update the firmware of the Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds. So the first step is to ensure that the buds are inside their charging case. So go ahead and place the buds inside the case. And then from here, you can just leave the case wide open because the next step is to launch the Soundcore app on your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. If you haven't already set the Aerofit 2 up with the Soundcore app, then you can follow the link in the description down below and go through the whole process of pairing the buds with the app. And so once you've done all of that and your buds have been paired successfully, so wait for them to be detected, then select it. Then from here, the next step when it comes to updating the firmware is to tap on this settings icon in the top right corner. Under settings, you then want to select the option update firmware. And then from here, once it's detected if there's any new updates available, simply select download and wait for the firmware to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded, simply select install and wait for the firmware update to complete itself on the Soundcore buds. So ensure that you don't disconnect. So this can mean closing the charging case of the Soundcore earbuds, and this also means not removing them from the charging case. Say you, for example, you want to listen to music as they're updating, all sorts of things. So just leave them in the case with the case wide open and just wait patiently as it continues with the firmware update. You can keep track of the update using this percentage circle here. So as you can see, currently I'm on 23%, and I'll just wait patiently until the update is complete. And then once the update is complete, the buds will go through a restart process. So again, just continue to wait patiently. And then once the restart is complete, you'll see they'll automatically connect to your device again. And once it's complete, tap on this check mark and you're ready. So now you've successfully updated the firmware of your Soundcore Aerofit 2 buds. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.